Level 1. The airport is a graveyard at 3 a.m. Fluorescent lights hum like a dying heartbeat. You aren't on the official payroll. You are a night shift airport ghost worker. Your first task is simple. Pick up the discarded suitcases in Terminal 4, Gate B. Don't open them. Don't look at the tags. Just move them to the janitor's closet. $500 in an envelope is waiting for you. Easy money. Level 2. The calls come at 2:14 a.m. exactly. Your phone doesn't have a contact name, just a string of zeros. Service Tunnel 4, Gate C, Blue Bin. The airport is a maze of hidden veins. You learn how to walk without making a sound on the linoleum. You learn which tiles creak and which cameras have a 3-second lag. You move a vacuum-sealed brick into a catering cart. Your hands shake. The payout is 2 weeks' salary for 10 minutes of work. You tell yourself it's just a job. Level 3. The ghost shift isn't a myth. You meet the others in a break room that isn't on the official blueprints. None of you use names. You are the janitor. He is the mechanic. You are tasked with the swap. Switching a passenger's carry-on with an identical one in a bathroom stall. The passenger looks terrified. You don't look them in the eye. You just want the envelope. The terminal shadow is starting to feel like home. Level 4. You see a face you recognize on the news. A missing person last seen at the terminal. You remember cleaning the VIP lounge that night? There was broken glass and a single shoe left behind. You didn't report it. You buried the shoe in the incinerator. You aren't just a worker anymore, and you are an accomplice. The money in your drawer smells like jet fuel and regret. Level 5. You've been promoted. You manage a crew of 3 others. They look just like you did on day 1. Desperate, quiet, invisible. You oversee the logistics of things that don't technically arrive. You have a master key that opens every door in the terminal. The money is life-changing. You buy a watch that costs more than your old car, but you can't wear it during the day. Shadows don't wear gold. Level 6. Paranoia sets in. The terminal feels smaller every night. The hum of the light sounds like whispering. A federal agent stops you near the food court. He asks for your ID. You show him the blank badge they gave you. He looks through you. He doesn't see a person. He sees a gap in the air. You realize you haven't seen your family in months. The terminal shadow is swallowing you whole. Level 7. A shipment goes missing. Your supervisor is gone. In his place is a woman with eyes like cold glass. She tells you the cost of failure. It's not money. It's your existence. You spend 12 hours hiding in the ventilation shafts. You watch the police search the terminal for a suspicious person. They are looking for you, but you are a ghost. Level 8. The final shift. You are told to go to the basement of the old international wing. A door is propped open with a fire extinguisher. Inside, there is a chair and a single flickering light bulb. On the table is a file. It's your life story. Every debt, every mistake, every night worked. You realize there is no way out. The airport doesn't let its ghosts leave. You hear the lock click from the outside. The lights go out. Welcome to the terminal shadow, permanently.